Hello and welcome to the Ministry of JavaScript. In this video we will be learning about the another prototype method of an array which is called findIndex. Well, basically what does findIndex do? findIndex is very useful when you want to find an index of any non-primitive values like object, right? As you can see right over here we have an array of an object, the first one with the name John and the second one with name Jane, and what I want to do is I want to find the index of an object with the name Jane. So what I will do, I will come over here and write dot find index, right? And this find index will take a callback function as a parameter, and this callback function basically takes up to 3 parameters, and the first one is a required parameter which is an element. I will name it as well. You can name it as whatever you want, and I want to check that whether the val.name is triple equal to Jane. So let me come over here inside the console.log and let me pass this condition, find index inside the console.log. Then as you can see that it is returning us 1. Why 1? Because this object does have an index of 1. If I write over here John, then it will return 0, and in case it does not match any value, then it will return -1, right? So maybe the few of you does have a question in your mind that in the previous videos we have learned about something like that, index of. Then what is the difference between index of and findIndex when we both are when they both are finding the index of the array? Well, there is a difference, and the difference is index of is used when you want basically when the array does have has an element of primitive values like string, numbers, and booleans. So it can deal with primitive values only, and in case of non-primitive value it will return you an error. If I come over here and write arr dot index of, and I want to pass the condition a callback function, then as you can see that index of, right, a dot name is triple equal to Jane, then it is not returning me anything whether the Jane does exist in our array, because it cannot deal with the non-primitive values. To be very if you want to make it very simple, it cannot deal with non-primitive values. For example, or in our case we do have an array of an object, it cannot deal with it. To deal with the non-primitive value we do use the findIndex. So this is the difference between findIndex and index of, right? So that's it from this video. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.